A Maasai village of about 30 families lies 500 meters away from Nairobi South Station. The 2 rows of blue houses are the best ones in the village. This is the only primary school built by the 8th Project Department of the Mombasa-Nairobi SGR.
因为我们建设第8项目经理部的时候，马赛聪乐一开始就在我们这旁边了，有那个小孩就跑我们的工地上去玩了。玩的同时呢，我们就想，这个也应该到上学的年龄，怎么不去上学呢？然后我们就深入调查，然后就了解他们那个原先的学校特别远，然后年久失修了，也容纳不了那么多学生，能不能给他建一个小学呢？然后我们就出于这个目的，然后正好我们有机械呀，有物资啊，这都对我们来说不是什么特别大的问题，对他们来说帮助是非常大的。然后我们就建了一个小学。
There are 8 classrooms in the Maasai Primary School available for the 150 kids in the village. Today, Lee and his colleagues are bringing stationery and candy for the children.
First, thank you for my friend Lee, China, when they come to visit our school. This is a very good school. We have children 150, and we said thank you for China to build with us the school.
The Maasais live a semi-nomadic lifestyle. There was no water in the village before Chinese workers brought water pipes from the construction site and built 2 water tanks here.
Help us with the books and water, because we have get water, and road we have. Yeah, the railway is they are around here, but we talked to them to give us the road, and they gave.
We expected that these are an SGR, these are an international project. It has really helped us as the neighbors, because we have got source of employment. We have a good roads, whereby the Chinese company have constructed.
In Amali Township, the project department is building a bridge that will cross the old and new railways.
那个时候是村民过来叫我们，邀请我们建这个桥。他们说两边都有学校，小孩子就是有困难，一天就是天天从这边过那边上学。说实话，这个桥也不是这么简单，因为挺贵，价格的话大概1000万多人民币。
Nearby the overpass is Imali Township Secondary School. With the headmaster's approval, we went into the school. Moses Masha, who used to study in Wuhan, China for 6 years, acted as our journalist.
This footbridge will help us to pass there when we are going to school, because we will not get accidents from the main road.
With the overpass, the distance from home to school is shortened by 2 kilometers. The builders of the SGR did their best to lower the impact of the fenced railway on the life of the locals. Chinese railway constructors are committed to fulfilling their social responsibility to Kenya.